Picture this. You are at a busy international airport. Your flight boards soon, but when the announcer calls out the time, it sounds completely foreign. You panic, wondering if you've already missed your plane. Fortunately, there is a very simple way to talk about time in English. We can call it the digital code. It works exactly like the clock on your smartphone screen. The rule here is incredibly straightforward. You just read the numbers from left to right. You say the hour first, and then the exact number of minutes. So a 6 and a 25 is simply spoken as 6:25. There is only one small exception. If the minutes are between 01 and 09, we add the letter O before the minute. So an 8 and a 05 is read as 8:05. This left-to-right method is easy and widely understood. But if you ask a native speaker for the time, they will often look at a traditional round wall clock and use a completely different system to answer you. To comfortably navigate train stations, business meetings, or conversations with friends, you need to understand this second system. We can call this second system the classic code. The very first rule of this code is that the order of the numbers flips. Instead of starting with the hour, you always state the minutes first. Look at the green clock face, divided perfectly down the middle. The right side covers minutes 1 through 30, using the word past. As seen in the bottom left column, 2:10 is 10 past 2. At 30 minutes, we say half past. For the entire first half of the hour, simply take the minutes and add them to the current hour using that one word, past. Now look at the left side of the clock face, covering minutes 31 through 59. Here, the vocabulary changes to the word to. Notice the right-hand examples. We count the minutes remaining until the next hour. 2:50 becomes 10 to 3. To make this even easier, think of the clock like a pizza. We slice it in half vertically and then horizontally, creating 4 equal 15-minute blocks. We call these slices quarters. At the 15-minute mark, we say it is a quarter past the hour. At the 45-minute mark, we have one slice remaining until the next hour, so we say it is a quarter to. By breaking the hour down into halves and quarters, native speakers can communicate the time quickly without needing to calculate exact numbers in their heads. Now that you know how to read both the digital and the classic codes, let's put them into real sentences. It all starts with how you answer the question, what time is it? Look at the bottom right green box. To answer what time it is now, begin with it is or it's, like it's 20 to 5. Notice the bottom left box. For specific events, like flights, use at. Say, the flight leaves at 10 to 3. Choosing between these two words changes your entire sentence. It's tells someone what the clock says in the present moment, while at helps you schedule plans for the future. There is one last cultural detail to keep in mind. In English, we rarely use a 24-hour military clock. Instead, we use a 12-hour cycle that repeats twice a day. To tell the difference between the two cycles, we use AM for the morning hours and PM for the afternoon and night. When a time hits exactly 00 minutes, we use the word o'clock. And for exactly 12 o'clock, we have special names. 12 p.m. is called noon or midday, and 12 a.m. is called midnight. You now have all the tools you need. Next time you are asked for the time, try stepping away from the simple left to right numbers. Slice the clock into quarters, pick between past and to, and speak like a native.